I'm home. Wipe my feet.
It's time for this. Take off the cap. Silicone brush. Soft and comfortable. Oh, dirty feet.
Do not look.
Find bubbles with one push. Scrub with the brush. Also on the other side.
Feels good and sleepy.
Wow, the dirt was removed. Wipe it with the included fluffy towel. Awesome.
How do I look?
Easily remove. And wash. Clean up. Of course, the nozzle can also be washed. Try using it.
Moisturize your feet. Multiple plant extracts.
No rinsing required.